Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Databricks workspace permissions with Azure or AWS integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying Databricks workspace permissions, log into your Azure or AWS account. Navigate to the Databricks workspace you wish to verify. In Azure, open the Azure portal. In AWS, go to the AWS Management Console and find the Databricks service. For Azure, click on Resource Groups and locate the group containing your Databricks workspace. For AWS, access the My Databricks Workspaces section under the Databricks service. Once you find your Databricks workspace, select it to view its details. In Azure, check the Access Control (IAM) blade on the left sidebar. In AWS, look for the Permissions tab in the Workspace details. Here, you will see a list of roles and users with various permissions. Take note of the roles assigned to users and groups. For Azure, you can set permissions using the Add Role Assignment option. To assign a role in Azure, click Add Role Assignment. Select the desired role from the list that fits your permission needs. Choose the user, group, or service principal you wish to grant this role to. Click Save to finalize any changes. In AWS, you can manage permissions by adjusting the IAM roles. Navigate to the IAM dashboard to view roles associated with your Databricks workspace. Set permissions for users by creating or modifying policies attached to these roles. Make sure to define the proper permissions according to your security requirements. Once you have reviewed and updated permissions, return to your Databricks workspace. In Databricks, go to the Admin Console. From the Admin Console, verify individual users and groups. Ensure that the necessary permissions align with your workspace's use case. Test the permissions by logging in as a user with assigned roles. Confirm they can access the resources intended for their role. If issues arise, return to the permission settings to adjust as needed. Regular audits of workspace permissions are recommended to maintain security. Document any changes made for future reference. This concludes the verification process for Databricks workspace permissions with Azure or AWS integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.